Lagi Khamsang, taring kini tu sekarang pentingnya lagi sama lol kasih sihir. Taring untuk beginner to intermediate English grammar course ki lopsin tuba dichadiye. Lopsin tuba dengan tu parts of speech ki preposition le di karim ba tingal le chadiye. Tinggal langan tu ki lopsin nga tang chao doji chadiye. Taring impo inangone cina ngan tu Monday kasang le goyo ba doji chadiye re. Impo ne kasang tayang macam ne taring ye gitu sin lenge chal lopsin di tang yo doji len shui kisi lenge tu ki ngan tu nyam dola lopsin di jang shimba doji impo ina taring ki lopsin di lenge chola pen tobo chungre samgidu lopsin digi nanglo lenge PDF khari tungidu lopsin khari lapgudu digi nyam dola jongdar chia la jongche lenge chola tab chigi nanglo la chatangwa goyo sambarjina nge tab tendre chik EBOOK so she yo di lenge chu nge website www.learnenglishwithkizom.com la phawarjina phane lenge chu gi khapdu nyoya yo relen shwei ta tharing anji gi lopsin di digital mangbo mada hoi thone go chu ei thingen la kise lenge chu ngan channel to thema thambo page do chai du na Khamsang yiming la kizom si yo ngan chu dundra takba phege thone inji jai ki nyen dong ni tang yo re lenge su phege sing yo patam phege thone inji jang de yo pa na inji ngan channel to subscribe na ro na nyen dong le gi thuju de sa dawa da phurbu chiru chu nga de chege to la ngan channel to li yo re la so ta go chu gi la so lenge ta ngan chu ki preposition la de khari cha de yo shu pa na de she la ta wara china a preposition is usually a short word used to link nouns pronouns or phrases to other words within a sentence. Mansu ki the to je chadiyor tarwa tikhari chadiyor shupaina joba chi ki nanglo la rwa noun chik mingsik chik da mingsik shamba chik thun chungye la ro mingsik chik da yang parts of shamba chik chu thun chungye la ro churwa tige mansu khari chadiyor la na preposition la di chadiyor is ta di nanglo la mansu ki tu la origina the le la shu de chadiyor tarwa chik redwa inaya changma langan chu ki khare lawarejina tu lani chik na inyo to yo mare le chorwa shimba khare or lawarejina okay tadi tumando in front of lana di khare chadior lana phrase chadiorwa chesan di chik marta phrase chigi chigi chokpa cham inyo to thende chi yin chogu yo re le chorwa di rest tangi jopana lawarojin paina thangbo Kecha de kaptulana I want to go to the movies nga timu taga tongi thugudus tonye de sure nga khari chingi thugorlana I want nga depayor khari depayorlana to go tonye thuguyores khawal tongi thugorlana movies timu taga tongi thuguyores ta din anglo la khari lawarejina I la di anglo la cheba po subject chadiore noun chik pronoun chadior movie la di noun chik chadior ta dini gi tewa tongi de khari lesu kimala to len leswa tige nga khari chadior shupaina preposition chadior ta niba Josh went to the club instead of studying for his exams. Josh khari chire club la konda ta she thapsa rosto ara dela phachi su khari ki chabla yi khurang yi je yi gi jangai chabla phachi su sle choro din nanglo la to la the preposition chadiore instead of la the preposition chadior dini gi dune khari cha su thangbo to la de gi khari ta khari thure Josh la noun dida club la noun ni di the digi duro cheswa penetration di me parajina khandi chegre Josh went the club Dewache mindo keja dida khoache mindo ara cheza Josh went to the club ani to le de sambo khwala doing but to swara khari instead of de chapla le de khari da dewa tingyor lana kurangi gi jangai gi chapla le de instead of le de nganju gi preposition chadiorta ta nganju gi preposition le de sambo la mainly nganju gi khandi chini yewa che yor la origina preposition of place preposition of time preposition of direction and preposition of manner this shidi gi thambo khari la gorlena preposition of place ki khari tungyore saja tyeng gi thedigi manjo position and location saja khawa yu mele dependashina tenzin works at Starbucks tenzin khwal lega chidu Starbucks la lega chidu at me paina khari chagre tenzin works Starbucks la kecha tewa che mindwa chesan tenzin gi lega chisa di tyenye de khari chasu at chesa at is a preposition here ani ni badela preposition of time tujo denge gi the preposition gi khari tengyor la origin specific time periods tujo gi tengyor spellingashina we usually go to our relatives at losar nganjo gi ngaran su pingya nang la chidang khadu tuyor la origin losa la tujo ji chade ro chesang losa la le di at ki preposition tur thangi Starbucks le di khari chasu saja tu so place tu so at Starbucks le di Starbucks la le di saja tu so Next, preposition of direction. Preposition of direction ni khartung yorna movement cho khagila yugudo lecture ditung yor spellingashina there's a great cafe across the street. Cafe tikja kan pe abujores. khawa le yo badi khare ki tung yore across lana dine pha gel ne la de ra lamga ki phachola street lana lamga ra lamga ki phachola la du across la de nga jo khare tu lana preposition tu da preposition khare tu re place tu da sorry direction cho tu da ra last preposition of manner the nganju ki chidam chilu le churwa di ki preposition dikhar lana expresses the manner in which something is done khande chini chamber how something has been done le churwa the preposition of manner gidung yoris penachana you can't achieve success by doing nothing chirangi kharikuch machene kega ra success ra churwa yungu maris ra doing nothing lana kharikuch machewa ani by doing nothing lana kharikuch machene chirangna success ragi mare le dio nganju ki kharcha de ursupaina preposition khora gi thenda preposition na yewa khari urle thangbo de khari to preposition of place first nipa preposition of time sumba preposition of direction thama preposition of manner tishidi preposition shidi chade urta ta nganju gi ta preposition thanging shi dokto yewa shi jela swati nanglo la preposition ye de khashes chi thi dile mangwa pe mangbo yor darwani ni yang anjo gi tharing gi jinda de nanglo la dige changma la jopa chik chini tu ain darwa thangbo in on at to into by through off from for after behind towards under above below between among beside with within without beyond still tige gi todan chik chin nga jutagi inderwa yona nga jugi todo chin lawara china preposition of time di khandi phejo chiwor la so sumyo preposition of time tunge thuge dinde rosh thugur dara in on at ta dangbo nga jogi preposition of in la du nga jo khadi phejo chigore thuju twe schedule in denotes longer period of time like months years centuries tawa chi ki nangla lo chi ki nangla lo yatha ki nanglo la tinde ke je shen lo gi nanglo tawa gi nanglo yatha gi nanglo la chiorwa century months years ki gange je shen na in la ni la goyres penasa shawaina the story is set in the 80s right in the 80s ke choose ke thuju nanglo la di movie di story di tung di set chidu so du la chiorwa di che they are moving to Greece in March tawagi mingle swara chinda sumba ki nanglo la kuju kuju Greece la tueredus ra ani nganju gi niba de la khari la orla na on le ding nganju khadi phejo chi gorla na thuju du days and dates resa gi ming Sunday Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday Saturday imbaina on Monday on Tuesday la ni che ani dates chedang gi ming imbaina on 24th of May ra chinda nga pe cheng shu chap shi la gyo tari twe imbaina pena chashina pema has to leave on 1st of November pema chinda chukchi ki chechik la thong dus tadi nalo le yang de la lingi so sam sigirwa November len chidwa ani in na ni lugo yor wale choro di nalo la nganju November khorang lamindwa chinda thangbo tari chik chechik chinda chukchi la du sambola che dila ke chewa chigorta dusre derwa my family does nothing on losar la nge nangmi gi kheguji chegi mares ra tinganju gi losar la le di chaswara in la du tawaji di chinangawa nang la le di chaswara ta at le di khadu phejo chiwi yor la wara jina precise time thujo takta chiga ange je shigi yo paina ani at chair da pena chashana I will pick you up at 5 ye charam chuzungawa la lengos ngawa takta injang at 5 we are all going to be sleeping at midnight chengi chanangi chuju jungni yorwa telanganjo changma kharichi deyore nya deyore sting onjugi preposition of time phejo chidan dicha next the preposition of place saja dewengi preposition ya preposition dige sumga rangja lewa rojin baina khandi chigo yore le jorwa tangbo in le dinganjo preposition of place saja dundu sambola khandi chigo yor lawarajina in implies that something is located in an enclosed space ta thanda in baina ni gi nyendung dus le de khare lawajina enclosed space saja khodusini khajave yo nanglo chigi nanglo la yesa andi khat nanglo chigi nanglo ina chita odine roji yesa ani in nangla le di chadiorta pena chashawaina I think I left my phone in the living room nye sambal nge khaba de khawala higher samud in the living room nganja chilo la hele chin desa gi khamba chiora living room ki nanglas ani he lives in Texas ko khwala digiyore Texas ngade nangla digiyores Texas lana taya subject dus theorgine and close to the chagre odigi nangla digiyores next he lives in the US ko khwala digiyore ko ari nangla digiyores saja dindu nangla du chik nang in la du sambola nangla du khuyo bacha the on la dikhar la origin implies that something is located on the surface lana saja saji gangla dushine tugiyo paina the on chagiyores penachashana could you grab my phone chrangi nge khaba dekhile tu service khawaliyore it's on the table in the hall lana living room la gorterwa living room hall gi gangla table yorwa sorry hall gi nangla table gi gangla touch yortera dus la wo marta touch chin table gangla shayula di on my grandpa works on a farm ye popo shingaj kan lega chiyores the shingaj kan lega chin the kamba sagan ko yo parwa diche next sorry I'll call you back konda nge krang la paranja khaba da yongos I'm on the train right now nga thanda khwali train gang le use next tang anju ki at khadu piju chiger shupaina at denotes specific point or location of something at ledi sacha ten takta roj la baina odila la hi baina at piju chiger spena chashana there's someone standing at the door ta go ledi dusui sam go ki gang lang de na in the door lig marwa on the door ki gang la ta la ko yo marwa door la sacha takta shtungi doara Michi kharidu gotam la lang de shas che Pema works at Apple Pema Apple la lega chiyor le de Apple ki company la lega chiyor le de khugorda There weren't many people at the theater Ra theater le de timutasa che timutasa de la mi pe mangbu mindus timutasa la len le swara odiche in nang on gang at la diche the preposition of manner khari lagor regina preposition of manner we usually use prepositions of manner when we have to answer the questions beginning with how khante chini chire la churwa dilanganju ki preposition of manner phiju chigyorta the preposition of manner nalanganju ki in with by with at khande phiju chigyor thangbo in le dinganju khande phiju chigyor shupaina in and with are used to describe the way in which something is carried out khande chini chire la gila dang de respensation she left the stage in tears mogi tingja dini ma tu de sam khare mikchu dangi ma dosungs khande chini dore in tears diche and she was singing with tears in her eyes mo kharchi do mikchu korgi shetang songs with an in preposition of manner khande chin chirlana thinde chin chirladi the by the with right by denotes either a person or a means of transportation with denotes an instrument by la dikhare yana michigi lega chidang ji gangla che yana transportation dimdu chidang gi gangne che with la dinganju gi chig yang thangi khadre la origin khande chini chire la di with tears in her eyes as well with shamba chinganju khari piju chair lana roja gi nyamdula instrument gi nyamdula penetration thangbo by she goes to work by bus lana transportation dimdu che gi ming chire ro mo lega la condition duguyore bus kan duguyores by bus ra ani you need to cut the cake with a knife sorry the instrument the musical instrument lago martaro musical instrument gi sabla ta jogi chunja le ro chunja gi gani che ani me gi cut cake di khare gi gan to boy la origin with a knife tich gi gan to boyores ra tini at can be used to describe aggressive behavior chupa chidang chilu jiorwa chi namju di khongro chau ngarge jitwe baina at penchashna dike chani dela khepar yorta he talked to his wife khogi khurangi kemela kecha she sungle jiorwa to his wife lana namgyu kecha she sungle ro de che ani he talked at his wife la origina piju chidi ta kogi kole she dang sule jiorwa di ko di chagorta at la di Next, the preposition of direction. Direction dungi, ra cho dungi preposition. Right? Questions beginning with where, kawa la imbaina, manjugi answer the direction mangbo be or the ra thangbo. To la dunga jo khari dungi or na movement in a specific direction. Chik rangi cho la dugi pa ina to. Penisation na I will head off to work in a couple of minutes. Nigi legala kama khashis ni thungi is. Tenzin moved to Florida a year ago. Tenzin Florida la lochiki ngun la move chisu dosungs ra. Ta towards la dikhari chegre. In the direction of towards la digi chola la di chagorda. Penisashana why are these policemen running towards Eric? Nyendo padige Eric ki chola towards. Leswara Eric ki chola kharichini drugiyores. Next, into la dikhari chagiyore. Into is used to show movement into something enclosed, while onto shows movement on the top of something. Ta into onto chiro. Into la na such a nang do jimbaina enclosed ra. Chik enclosed sedu sambola chik go yapsa origina khodira ro chila dwa me jo ro charo tila enclosed le ro. Tindi chik nang la dwa imbaina into. Kisi cho tue movement tue imbaina onto la na the indication ma zawa de jimbaina di zadang chiro surface chigala chadang dila onto. Penetration the dog jumped into the canal. Dog canal la dikurangi desa nang dosh doara digi nanglo la jump chisu digi nang la chongsus while the cat leaped onto the roof of the canal. Ani dog canal ki nang la jump chisu swa cat dikar chire canal khangba do digi go ki kangla. Tusyo paina dog kharishir la origina into the canal. Cat leaped onto the roof. Right canal ki roof kangla onto into diche. Across lena karre from one side to the other side kelne lamga jiopaina lamga ki chujo ne phajula across le right diche. You can't walk across the street wherever you want. Sorry, whenever. This should be whenever you want. Right. Cherang kare lamga dini phajula kirang khadu samsam do chogu yo maris. Right. Over khadu peju chigiyore. Over is used to show an upward and forward direction across something. Doing the yala dragi Todan chimbaina over leni piju chigiyore. Penetration the boys jumped over the fence and chased the cat. Over the fence. Fence lena nganjugi dile ro tang bar leni hindi section du de rawa gora doji ro nganjugi rawa chuguro khangba gi chola choshila de ro odini pudigi kharichiso pudin jugi fence ki gangla chomsus ro dushini upward and forward ro tilang nganjugi over che through la dusa munganjo kharipejo shigyor shupaina movement within an enclosed space from one point to other. Such short mare khangba do chigi nanglo la enclosed saja chigi nanglo ne choching ne shamba do origin through gune la derwa. I don't like driving through the tunnels. I feel a bit anxious. Right? Tunnel nganjugi sagi nanglo la lamga soya do stwara talengi of Himachal la penyo yo baina de sadong lo mangbo soya dwara digi gune driving more than go miss. Right? Past ledunganjo khadu peju chigiyor la origin movement near something while you are on your way to another location. Tanga dusyo bache nanga drudo bache ngi gi surne ngi gi phatta di dam ne rang jo mi shamba ji do origin past la tu peju chigorda. I waved at Doma but she walked past me. Ra ngi Doma la lagwa skya yin sine yan Doma ngi gi dune dosung le jorwa. That is past. Thus, some other important prepositions tanging on to chat chitun suara digi nanglo lengyo tangbo off le dikharlana dewa dingyoris. I am a teacher of this class. Nga zinda digi gigenis. O ff off double off in yodi tata nang jogi off on ge off the lago mar the wrong jogi preposition la off the khadu pejo chigor la separation cut yodo chik penachashina he fell off the bike yana bet ro ko baba ne ma jasus baba da ko dewa phala swara jasus bet ne ma jasus. From show a source chungung ding yorda from ladu I am from Tibet nga pe ne yinsra for ladu karlana purpose ne de thunda khari. The pen is for writing. Pen dikharre thie cheduris. Tanye the pen di isn't writing well today. after lana kharlana is used for serial numbers. Angi thanga chigi chik jala lechorwa. I am after you in the queue. Queue lana phangrimche. Kirangi jala use diche. Behind gapla. Something is on the back or being late. Chitawa inayang behind. Gapla inayang behind. Right? He is behind the tree. Koshimbo gi gapla dus. The train is behind the time. Mekor tekarre tuzo gi gapla dula du late shishala warra. Under le dunga jo khadu tungyor la warajina lower position chigi susun ta khone dojin baina wall yo baina under la warta. He is under me le du kugi khone dodin baina ngi wall yo relate yo ronga principal yin baina ngi lega chitsa le gi gendige ngi under le yo ro tiche. Above yin baina up and in the sense of level above lana gangla right. Questions are above. Tiwa dige gangla yores. My head is above water. Nye godi chugi gangla yos ra. Below lana dige opposite wall la le tungyorta. Answers are below. Lanes hama wall yores. Questions are above. My head is below the water. Nye godi chugi wall la yochyor ra. Dicha. Next, between nana kimala. Chalani kima mini ki kimala. The secret is between you and me. Sawan dikiran de ngi kimala indas. Among lana kharlana mangbuchi gi kimane, right? The secret is among us. This secret sawan ding anchu kimala reda le chora. Mini kimala imba in between ni le mangwa ina among. Beside lana surla. Pensashana my home is beside yours. Ni nang de charangi nang surla yores. Beyond lawarajina this shirt is beyond my fitting. Di unju dikhareng ngai fitting la nga takda dia le pat chele gewar shla du sama pat loose resha leche. Still la du kharlna show something is going on at present thaduya le dila gorra. He is still playing. Ko thande jumje deshas. He is still mad. Ko thande lunglang desha leche ro. Ding anju gi preposition dige changmai tharing gi lopchen dingyam dol an anju preposition dusrang roji shagi indal hengi so asa lenge ani tharingi nyendon dirang chami ma phenge la subscribe na gyu ne inji subscribe na ne phero na tharingi nyendon lenge chola phen to po thuk to ru chungyo nyero wa chigi ye Instagram to la ya follow nangi me pa ina tige nyi gi khajare phage la ya follow na ro na len shei anjama nyendon na lenge sama kyar tu je gi ro chigi ye tibada lenge sama chakbo chine shurna ajin nyam de inji jane shurna